I'm here to give you an update today here on AVAX. As you can see, guys, all-time high point from before coming through, sat at around that $76.61 there in terms of candle body close. In terms of candle wick there, you're looking at around $79.76 there. From that point, I would say you do have a lower high coming through here, and also a lower high actual challenge here, because this lower high is actually challenging this previous lower high. So I would be inclined to be drawing some sort of trend line, probably looking at something along the lines of this, guys. And that basically means we're actually in some sort of breakout scenario in terms of the live price right now. So this is really quite interesting, because also with that trend line, with also this this higher low in terms of the uptrend from before, you're looking at a symmetrical triangle, right? Symmetrical triangle, higher lows. Higher lows, higher high point, lower highs coming through. That symmetrical triangle being formed at the top of an uptrend. It's a bullish pennant chart pattern, guys, and that basically means continuation to the upside. So what I would say is AVAX looking pretty bullish right now. In terms of challenging all-time highs, I would say you're definitely looking like you're going to have the momentum to get up there. What I would say is the volume-weighted ATR band, as you can see, guys, resistance can be formed along this zone. So just be prepared for potential pullbacks coming through. If we are going to pull back here, that might even be a perfect entry point there for a lovely little long here. I mean, it's not going to be the biggest long in the world, but what I would say is, in terms of a measure move, we could be doing something along the lines of this. Yeah, nothing too crazy here, guys. We are on the daily, so you might see a couple of percentages coming through there, but yeah, it's around going to be around a 10-11% gain there, so nothing too crazy. Reflecting on the daily charts there, but yeah, so yeah, definitely something to be thinking about there, considering how AVAX is behaving. I think, to be honest, quite late to be getting in now. If you did want to really think about getting in, I would wait till you cleared this volume-weighted ATR band in terms of the level of support on the daily, and also the $73.11, because you can see this, see the resistance actually from this zone is very, 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 very strong indeed. First take profit point, I would be looking at this horizontal along this zone here, and that's going to be sat around $76.40 there, and that's going to be basically clean cut completion of the measure move there. In terms of percentages there for a potential mini position, it's going to be around a 3, near enough 4% gain there. So nothing too crazy, but definitely something to be looking out for the future here on the daily. I'm going to jump down to the smaller term time frames now and get some sort of a bit of a better gauge for the scalps there, and see what the trends are actually saying there. I mean, to be honest, you are still just trending up quite aggressively here, actually. Yesterday there, quite aggressively. What I would say is you're actually consolidating here. Pretty good stuff along the volume-weighted ATR band yet again. So yeah, it does look like you're actually going to come up and really challenge that that $73.11 there, 11 cent zone there, and that could definitely be a point to be looking at for that long for the daily there. That's pretty much what I would say about that. To be honest, there's only so much you can say when you are trending up like this. So let's do we could do a percentage from this higher low point to where we are now. Still up around 18.55% in this uptrend there. So so just watch out for that reversal, guys, because the reversal could be quite steep. If it is quite steep, you could actually be looking at challenging higher lows there. And if you do break higher lows like that in terms of a level of support, you're probably going to be coming down, right? You're probably going to be coming down and banging off really, really strong trend lines from all-time highs there. So yeah, just be cautious in trading this, but overall summary for AVAX right now is it does look really quite bullish. So yeah, definitely things to be thinking about for the future there.